So I do apologize. I was in a conversation with you guys and my phone actually fell. Yep, it fell. So I got to be honest with you guys, let you know what's going on. Because my recording is in real time as it happened. Can you make it? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, cutie. Mwah. 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 Have a good one. Yeah, so in real time as it happened, the phone fell and I had to get the phone. So yeah, so here's my creamer. Gotta have my creamer. I can't drink coffee. Let me know how many of you can drink coffee without creamer. I think it's so nasty. Gotta have this flavor stuff to give it a nice little kick. Yeah, so yeah, like I was saying to you before, I think I'm gonna turn back and get some juice. I was procrastinating whether or not I need the juice. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna go back and get it. But yeah, so a couple of things that I'm doing over the break. Many of my students said, Miss, what are you gonna do on your spring break? And I'm like, I got so much at home that needs to get done. Um, I don't even have to plan my spring break. It is actually waiting for me. So, and also, let me know if you like this kind of juice, Tropicana, and it's mango, pineapple mango. Okay, my spouse liked this, so I got this for him, and I got my coffee. So once I got my coffee, creamer that is, I got coffee at home, I am good. Okay, it's nothing like waking up in the morning to a cup of hot, hot coffee. Yes. But yeah, so I have several DIY. Most of them gonna have to wait until I get out of school for summer. And then that's when I'll do the real work. That's when the real work begins. It's doing the work during the summer month. And I love DIY. I love DIY. And I'm actually starting to grow my veggie because every summer I try to grow my vegetables. So let me tell you the vegetables that I grow. I grow tomato, bell peppers. I also grow for the first time this year. I planted some carrots. I'm not sure if it's gonna grow, but I just planted it yesterday actually. So you won't know unless you try. So I actually put it into a pot, and we'll see what happens. And what else? And also cucumbers. Yeah, cucumbers are on the list. I love cucumbers. So that's on the list that I'm growing as well. And probably more items to come. I was trying to see if I could grow an avocado, but no, that's a tricky situation because you have to know how to plant avocado, and that takes a while, and you got to know how to water it as well. So, and I was talking to another one of my coworker, and he was telling me how to actually plant the avocado, but I haven't tried it yet. So I don't think it's gonna. By the time summer is over, that's gonna take a while. So I'm not even gonna bother. I just buy my avocado in the meantime. They're not that expensive. So yeah, if um, you are doing anything exciting for spring break, if you're on spring break, you know, drop it in the comment and let me know what you're actually doing. Are you enjoying it? And those of you who are working, I hope that your day at work is not so hectic, which I know that's, without a statement right there. Everybody work is over the top, too much sometimes. But yeah. So when I get back home next, I'm going to work on, you know, my DIY project. I will show you first what the project is. I'll show that to you, and then I'll show you the finishing touch once I'm done. And there'll be more that I have to do to this project as well. First, I'm going to start out with some basic stuff, and then I'm gonna build on that at a later date. So I'm taking baby steps, no rush, just baby step to get it done. In terms of schoolwork, now I'm normally busy doing schoolwork, and I have been doing schoolwork since I left school on Thursday. I haven't stopped. The only day I stopped was Easter. on Easter Day. No, no, you wasn't getting me doing any schoolwork on Easter. I don't think anybody will be working on Easter, but I'm gonna pick up the pace today. I'm gonna pick up the pace today and start working on some more grades, and yeah, and then try to get some stuff done. I also actually was working in my den because I have several junk that I need to get out. And when I say junk, these are just like stuff that I don't use no more and then just piled up and I just need to get rid of it. I got to go through it. One in particular is mail, like a lot of mail that I go through, shred some, burn some, because you got to be careful on what you actually shred. Sometimes it doesn't cut it up, as best as it should, but you want to make sure you burn some of the important stuff. So I'll be doing that today. And I did rake up my backyard, not fully, but I did rake it up. I got some out in the trash. And so it looks a little bit better, especially the dogs go into the backyard and that's where they do their mess. So you got to rake that stuff up. And so, yeah, so I'm doing a little here and there. And I'm enjoying it, truly, truly enjoying it. So again, I want to thank you for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to turn on your post notification so you certainly know each time I upload another video. And I encourage you to share my video, okay? How many times I've said it over and over again. Please share my videos. And I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers right now. I have 218 subscribers. I want to thank the gentleman who I met today in Home Depot, and he happened to sign up to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're watching my video, I appreciate you. And you also don't forget to share my video out. All right. Don't forget to share my video out. I'm appealing to you, to your friends, tell a friend, yo, I met her. She's fire. I think you should watch her video. And yeah, I appreciate it. And I'm always wishing all the content creators out there, whether big or small, new or old, the very best, This certainly is not easy, but again, it was inspired by my students. And yeah, so I'm doing my thing. So until then, on that note, I want to say have a great day. May God bless you wherever you are. Enjoy your spring break. Be safe if you're at work also. Again, I hope that it's not too hard for you. You're getting your break. And I hope that your superiors are treating you with the utmost respect, because I always say it's never about the title, but the positive impact that you have on someone, and to be a blessing and never to look down on anyone, because you never know where they're coming from. Let's work together. We all have an objective, and that is to get whatever is on the table or whatever we set out to do, is to get it done. And let's do it with dignity, when with love and with respect. So on that note, have a great day. Miss positivity without the negativity. Your girl always got the gravitativity without the levitivity. Level up. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.